Morning all. So today we will see one more fundamentally very good stock. So this is not like the stock like yesterday one. So it is a small cap or a mid cap. This is a fundamentally very good stock, and it is a large cap category. So this is in this I would recommend to add it in the list that you can invest and forget that money. So it is like most of our stocks, 15, 18 stocks that are whatever we have discussed in the past. It is one of such stock. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's see the stock name and jump into the fundamentals of the stock. So you can see in the screen, it is none other than the Titan company. Okay, so let's see what all things are under this Titan company. So the first thing is jewelry division. So you would have already known related to the Titan company that the Tanishq. So Tanishq is the Tata product, and also there are for high-end people, they have Zoya and Mia and Karat Lane, and below they have given the manufacturing facility, so that is not much important for us. And within this Titan division, they also have the watch division, and the jewelry division provides the maximum of the revenue. That is 83% of the revenue comes from this Tanishq, the gold selling, and rest 13% comes with the revenue generation from the watch division. So in the watch division, Titan Titan itself is there, and the most famous one is the Fast Track. Okay, so Fast Track is the one for the youth. They are covering the youth people. They are covering with the Fast Track watches, and then they also have Sonata and some more and other brands of the watches. Okay, and after that, it does not stop here. It also has the eyewear division. So you would have known that Titan Eye, so which is giving 3% of the revenue, total revenue, and there is other 1% of revenue comes from other things like a brand like Skin, that is perfume. So this we have not heard much about it, so it's okay, which is giving the least amount of revenue. So nothing to worry about it. So if you come down, if you see the market cap is 1,87,000. So it is as I told, it is a large cap, and the current price is working at the left of 2,100, around 2,100. And if we see the chart, so it is a good chart. You can see it is going from left to right, and there is here and there is a small fall of the stock, but it didn't stop. Whenever there is a fall, it bounced back very good, very well. So that is what is very important. If you see this price graph, always you have to see that whether the graph is going from left to right, and not the other way, or not the way of the mountain way. So you should not be it should not be like a zigzag also. It should be always starting from left and ending at right. So that is how you find a good stock. Okay, and if we see the peer comparison, as always, this stock is a market leader in this segment, diamond, gems, and jewelry section. This is a market leader. You can see the market cap is 1,87,000, and the next nearest company, that is after the Titan company, the Rajesh Exports. You can see the market cap, the difference between the market cap of the second company and the first company. It is 18,000 and 1,87,000. There is a very vast difference. So you can this itself is a plus for this company. And we can see the past performance. It started from 2010 with the sales of 4,000, 4 to 6, 8, 10, and nearly 11 and nearly 12. And after in the year of 2016, there was only one dip. So there was one dip in the last 10 years. You can see in March 2015 it was 11,900, and in 2016 it is 11,200 something. Okay, and after that again it bounced back 13,000, and then 16 and 19 and 21 in 2020, and 2021 it is 21,644. You can always ignore this March, the 2021 year, because you already know that it is because of the corona so many stores were shut. So that is the reason. It is even though there was the stores were shut, it does not post a negative. It did not post a negative sales. It has shown the positive sales only. So it is the same story in the net profit also. You can see it started from 251 crores, and now at the moment it is at near about 1,000 crores. Because of COVID, it is little bit less. But if you compare the March 2020, it is 1,500. So there is also a crisp increase in the net profit. And you can see this, the most important part is the compounded sales growth. So as in the Alkyl Amine or in the Divi's lab and in the Dr. Lalpath, it is having a double digit sales growth. Okay, so I already told you, if you find a double digit sales growth and continuously for 10 years, you can already take it as it is a very very good company. Okay, and compounded profit growth for the moment for the last 3 years is less, and especially that is due to the damage caused by the COVID. You can see the stock price CAGR for the last 10 years. It has given a fantastic return of 25% of CAGR for the entire 10 years. Okay, so that's it. And reserves, you can see reserves is also, it is good. It started from 688 near about 700 to 7000. So the reserves have grown from nearly 10 times in the last 10 years. Okay, and you can see the shareholding pattern. It is a decent shareholding pattern. It is unchanged from 50 to 91 to 90. So you can take it as it is unchanged. Okay, so this comes with a trust. Actually, Tata, Titan company is associated with Tata Sons. So whenever a name of Tata is associated, you can always trust is there is a trust of this Tata company. In this promoter list, you can see Tamil Nadu Industrial Development Corporation has some 27%, and you can see the next one, Tata Sons Limited, they have 20% of shares. Actually, it is a collaboration of TNDC and Tata Sons. Okay, so it is a very good company. Since the Tata Sons is there, Tata groups are associated with this. There you can already trust this company. Any company any stocks that has any Tata stocks, you can blindly trust them, because I will tell you one small story that I know. You have heard about the Tata Docomo. So they came inside the telecom sector with the Tata Docomo. So many people say that Jio is a game changer in the telecom, but if you ask me, the game changer is the Tata Docomo. So because only when Tata Docomo came into picture, they first introduced with one paisa per second. So they are the one who slashed the rates and all. So it was a big hit, but they were not. They very soon understood that they cannot survive much time in the telecom sector. So even though when they closed the company or closed the business in the telecom sector, they didn't run away like Vijay Malaya or anyone else. Okay, they closed all the debts, whatever debts they had, they repaid to the responsible respective government or the private owners. They closed everything, and they did not keep any debt, and the Tata Sons did not run away like any other big cheaters. So always when Tata Group is involved, it will be always associated with some kind of trust. So that is what I say. You can blindly invest in this, also not only with the name of Tata. You can see the past performance also. The performance is also in the double digit sales growth, and stock price is also in the past it is 25%. So this is also one stock that I will recommend that you can invest and forget it. Okay, so this one I will add it up to our stock recommendation list. So you can think of investing whenever you get chance below RSI 50 level, or if you already have the stock with you, you wait for the correction and you invest at the below level, that is below RSI 50. If you don't have this stock at all, you are going to purchase a first stock. Anytime you can purchase, because you are going to hold for more than 10 years. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Let's see, I will come up with another video with another stock. Thank you, goodbye.